To stay competitive, businesses and professionals alike must leverage every tool at their disposal to maximize productivity. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through the integration of artificial intelligence into your daily operations. AI tools are designed to increase productivity. They help you automate mundane tasks, streamline complex processes, and provide valuable insights, all of which free up your time for more critical and creative work. This video explores the top 10 AI tools that can revolutionize your workflow and significantly boost productivity, no matter your industry or role. Top 10 AI tools for productivity. 1. Trello with Butler. Trello is a widely used project management tool known for its simplicity and flexibility. However, when you integrate Butler, an AI-powered automation tool, Trello transforms into a productivity powerhouse. Butler automates repetitive tasks such as moving cards, setting due dates, and assigning tasks based on triggers you define. This means you can spend less time on manual updates and more time focusing on the actual work. 2. Grammarly. Effective communication is critical in any business environment, and Grammarly is an AI-driven tool designed to help you communicate clearly and professionally. Whether you're drafting emails, creating reports, or writing content, Grammarly checks your work for grammar, punctuation, tone, and style. The tool provides suggestions in real time and ensures that your writing is error-free and polished. Grammarly enhances the quality of your written communication, reduces the risk of misunderstandings, and helps maintain a professional tone in all your interactions. 3. Jasper, formerly Jarvis. Content creation is a time-consuming process, but it's essential for marketing and brand development. Jasper, an AI content generation tool, simplifies this process by creating high-quality content with minimal input. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, or marketing copy, Jasper can generate it quickly and efficiently and help you maintain a consistent content output. By automating the content creation process, Jasper allows you to focus on strategy and creativity. 4. Zapier. Zapier is an automation tool that connects different apps and services and allows them to work together seamlessly. With Zapier, you can create zaps, which are automated workflows that perform tasks between apps. For example, you can set up a zap to automatically save Gmail attachments to Google Drive and notify you in Slack. This level of automation reduces the need for manual data entry and ensures that your tools are working efficiently together. Zapier's ability to automate tasks across different apps saves time, reduces errors, and ensures that your workflow is as efficient as possible. 5. Rescue Time. Time management is crucial for productivity, and Rescue Time is an AI tool designed to help you understand how you spend your time. Rescue Time runs in the background, tracking the time you spend on different applications and websites. It then provides detailed reports and insights into your habits and helps you identify areas where you can improve your productivity. Rescue Time helps you make informed decisions about how to manage your time, enabling you to optimize your workflow and boost overall productivity. 6. Notion AI. Notion is a versatile tool that combines note-taking, task management, and project planning in one platform. With the addition of Notion AI, this tool becomes even more powerful. Notion AI assists in generating content, summarizing notes, and even brainstorming ideas. It's like having an intelligent assistant that helps you organize your thoughts and tasks more effectively. Notion AI enhances your ability to manage projects and organize information, making it easier to stay on top of your workload and improve productivity. 7. Otter.ai. Meetings are a necessary part of business, but they can also be time-consuming and prone to information loss. Otter.ai is an AI productivity tool that transcribes meetings in real time, allowing you to capture every detail without needing to take notes. It also integrates with platforms like Zoom, making it easy to record and transcribe virtual meetings. By automating the transcription process, Otter.ai ensures that no information is lost during meetings, saving you time and improving the accuracy of your notes. 8. Monday.com with AI features. Monday.com is a robust project management tool that now includes AI features to enhance productivity. These AI capabilities include automating task assignments, predicting project timelines, and providing insights into project progress. The AI integration helps teams stay on track and ensures that projects are completed on time and within budget. Monday.com's AI features streamline project management, make it easier to handle complex tasks and ensure that your team remains productive and focused. 9. Hootsuite with AI enhancements. Social media management can be overwhelming, but Hootsuite, with its AI enhancements, simplifies the process. Hootsuite's AI capabilities include automatic content scheduling, social listening, and performance analysis. These features allow you to maintain a consistent social media presence without the manual effort of posting and monitoring. Hootsuite's AI features help you manage your social media presence more efficiently, freeing up time for other important tasks and ensuring that your social media strategy is effective. 10. AI Dungeon. Creativity is often a key component of productivity, especially in fields like marketing, design, and content creation. AI Dungeon is an interactive storytelling tool powered by AI that can help boost creativity by generating ideas, scenarios, and even full stories. While it's primarily a game, many professionals use it to overcome creative blocks and generate fresh ideas for their work. AI Dungeon can be a valuable tool for helping you think outside the box and come up with innovative ideas that can enhance your work. In conclusion, the integration of AI tools into your workflow is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity in today's competitive business environment for increased productivity. From automating mundane tasks to enhancing creativity, these AI tools for productivity can transform how you work, saving you time and helping you focus on what truly matters. Are you ready to revolutionize your workflow? Start by integrating these AI tools for increased productivity into your daily routine and experience a significant boost in your efficiency and output. Thank you for watching this video to the end. We hope you find it educative. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video before you leave.